Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are on the website of paidfromservice.com, and on this website we have got an app to read the review of, which is called Testable Minds. So we are going to read the review of Testable Minds. We are going to let know that the pros and cons of this app. Let's see how it helps us. Joining an online service site can be an easy and fast way to earn extra cash. This is, of course, if you join a legit service site. If you have been searching for service sites, one of the options you might have come across is Testable Minds. But is Testable Minds legit and one of the good options, or is it a scam to stay away from? Let me answer this question right away. Yes, Testable Minds is a legit online survey panel. It pays you for participating in online surveys and studies, and I have been paid by it myself several times. However, that does not necessarily mean it is worth your time. With so many paid service sites available, you need to make sure you do not waste your time on poor sites. So what is Testable Minds and what does it offer? Testable Minds is a platform used by researchers all over the world to recruit participants for their psychological and behavioral experiments. It's comparable to Prolific in a lot of ways, where it's not really your run-of-the-mill survey site. It's a bit more unique in terms of topics it covers. To be able to understand and how well you can learn from this site, we have to examine the earning opportunities it offers, the way we can get a clear picture of its earning potential. So here is how you can earn from Testable Minds. I have created a video tutorial that will give you an inside look. I don't want to see the video tutorial and I'm offline. So option number one, according to the video tutorial, option number one is paid studies. The main earning opportunity Testable Mind offers is paid studies. When you become a member of this site, you can log into the members dashboard and immediately see all the available surveys, all the available studies you can participate in. Each study will offer unique opportunities for you to earn. Remember that all the studies found on this sites are created by researchers. So it's rare to find studies that will ask you to do similar things. That being said, most of the studies will be about behavioral economics and cognitive skills. When you click on a study, it will show you the maximum number of participants it will accept, as well as the number of participants they are currently participating in this that are currently participating in the study. So if you see a study that's full, don't bother joining because you won't be accepted anymore. Every study will inform you of what you need to do to complete it. So make sure to read the instructions carefully. When you have done all the steps and completed the work, the researcher will first have to approve your participation. In other words, they will check your work first. If they find your work satisfactory, you will be awarded the participation reward, which will be credited to your Testable Minds balance. More about the payment methods later. Option number two, referral programs. Another way you can earn from this site is by inviting people to join the site. This is called a referral program, which is often available on online reward sites. And in Testable Minds case, their referral program is fairly straightforward. All you have to do is share your invite link with the people you want to invite. Once they successfully sign up to the site, using your link, you will earn $1. Take a note so that you will only receive $1 reward when the person you invited makes their first withdrawal. So don't expect to receive the reward right away. And you need to make sure the people you invite are really interested in the site if you want to earn from their referral program. How do you get paid? The good thing about Testable Minds is that they will pay you They will reward you with money instead of points when you complete the study. So there is no need to mentally calculate how much you have earned since you will know right away. Once you have earned $20, you can then request payment via PayPal or direct bank transfer. It's a relatively high threshold, but they do offer a way for you to lower it by verifying your account. This, by the way, is not the same verification process you will undergo when registering to the site. This is a whole different verification process you will need to do. To become a verified user, you will have to submit your photo, ID document, and phone number. Refer to the photo above. Okay. Your ID document can be a photo of your driver's license, passport, or any other identification that has your name, photo, or and date of birth. So once you have submitted that, you will become a verified user as soon as they confirm it. Aside from the lower threshold $10 for the first withdrawal, you will also get success to make more studies and high paying ones. They also pay via Revolut. And if you go through the verification process, you will get a free physical card worth $7 Revolut and a $1 bonus paid into your Revolut account right away. So thank you so much for coming up to the end of this video. So you can subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye, take care.